I'm really happy to close the second year of Street English Tunisia with this event today and the talk on leadership and career development.
I'm really happy to be with you today to share some of my experience. I'm Najla Hamdi, country chef Tunisia for Sanofi, it's a pharma company. I'm a former champion of Tunisia of volleyball. I'm the strategic committee of Point José Paris. I'm president of Association of HR in Tunisia, and some other small things that I like.
Today, it's like any other skill, very important to develop English, and it's not today something for a luxury thing, it's really a must to have it, to enjoy life, to travel, to go wherever, to do whatever you want.